Hi, everybody. I'm Mrs. Simmons-Machota. I'm one of your ELA teachers coaches, and I work with them. And today I'm here to talk to you about how to do this IAR question deck. So when your teacher opens it up, they're probably going to open it up into either a teacher-driven dashboard or a student pace dashboard. So you're going to click in and put how you're feeling. I hope you're feeling awesome today because I am. Then you're going to see this double screen open. And over here you have a strategy focus of what your teachers and I would like you to use when you're attacking this type of question. So for this question, our strategy focus is to read part A, identify the bold word. So here's part A. I see the bold word here. Then I'm going to go to paragraph 3. So I need to scroll down here and find paragraph 3. Then I'm going to find the phrase there. So I have to read it, without leave from the owner. So here it is right there. And then I'm going to figure out what the phrase means based on the choices. So I'm going to read this. And then it says, once I have that, I'm going to pick my evidence. So I'm going to read around the text without the leave from the owner, replacement banner shop. And I'm going to look at without going far away, without causing difficulty, without asking permission, without following the instructions. I think it's without asking permission. And then question B is, which evidence from paragraph 3 helps you to understand the meaning of without leave from the owner? Towards a family farm, traveling in complete darkness, one wagon from an abandoned blacksmith shop. So I'm going to click that. And then what I'm going to do is I can score my response. And I can see I got a 2 out of 2. Now, one thing that I don't want you to do is to click this close button. To move to the next question, I want you to come back down here and click on the forward question. Then it's going to bring you to the next question, and you can see what your strategy focus here. I'm going to show you what happens though if you click this close button. You're going to close out and you're going to come back into this IAR question bank, and you're not going to be able to get back to the question. Even if I go backwards and then I move forwards, that question is still closed to me. So when you are answering questions, you are just going to answer them, come down, you're going to hit your score response, 0 out of 2, and then I'm going to come back here and I'm going to move forward. I hope that clears up any questions that you may have of if you can't move forward in the deck or go back and answer a question. Never, ever, ever should you hit close here. You're just going to use these gray buttons to toggle forward and backwards. Hope that helps. Don't worry about IAR. It's just a moment in time. You're super smarty and we know that you're going to do great. We just want to give you some practice with the tools and some tips on some strategies. Have a great one, and I'll see you in your classroom.